8 cacti to grow indoors for a desert oasis in your home. Do you long for a desert oasis in your home? While you can't create an actual desert, you can bring the essence of the desert inside with some cacti. Cacti are perfect for indoor gardens because they don't require a lot of water and thrive in sunny locations. In this video, we will discuss 8 different cacti that are perfect for indoor gardens. We will also provide tips on how to care for these plants and keep them healthy. Opuntia microdacis, bunny ears or angel wings cactus. Opuntia microdacis, also known as bunny ears or angel wings cactus, is a cactus native to Mexico. The plant gets its common name from its shape. The pads are long and thin, resembling bunny ears or angel wings. Opuntia microdacis is a popular houseplant because it is easy to care for and can thrive in many conditions. To care for your Opuntia microdacis in the summer months, place it in a spot that receives bright light. The plant does not need direct sun, but it should be in a sunny location. Water your cactus when the soil is dry to the touch, whereas during the winter months, it requires cooler temperatures such as 50, 60 degrees Fahrenheit. You may only need to water it once every month or two. Aporocactus, flagelliformis, rat-tail cactus. Aporocactus flagelliformis or rat-tail cactus is a cactus native to southwestern Mexico. The plant gets its common name from its long, thin, rat-tail-like stems. Rat-tail cactus is a climbing cactus and can grow up to 4 feet in length. The plant has tiny flowers that bloom in the spring and early summer in violet-red colours, sometimes in orange and pink colour. Rat-tail cactus is a relatively easy plant to care for. It thrives in bright direct sunlight, but you can also place it in a window for maximum sun exposure. The plant should be watered thoroughly in the growing season. Rat-tail cactus is not frost-tolerant and should be kept indoors during cold weather. Echinocactus grusoni, barrel cactus. The barrel cactus, also known as the Echinocactus grusoni, is a cactus native to Mexico. This cactus seldom blooms indoors because it is a true desert plant, but it is possible to grow it indoors if you recreate its ideal growing conditions. To care for your barrel cactus, make sure it's in a pot with drainage holes and place it in an area that gets plenty of sunlight. Water your cactus sparingly, about once a week, or when the soil is dry to the touch. You can reduce watering to every month or two during the winter months. Be careful not to overwater your cactus, as this can lead to root rot. Astrophytum myriostigma, bishop's cap. If you're looking for a cactus that will make a statement in your home, look no further than the Astrophytum myriostigma, also known as the bishop's cap. This striking cactus is native to northeastern Mexico and has a dense covering of white spines that give it a fuzzy appearance. Moreover, its flowers come in various shades of bright yellow, creamy white and violet pink. The Astrophytum myriostigma is relatively easy to care for indoors if given its preferred environmental conditions. The plant will thrive. It prefers bright light but can tolerate some direct sun. Water when the soil is dry and fertilize once a month during the growing season. However, if you notice the plant starting to stretch, it probably needs more light. This cactus is relatively slow growing, so be patient if you don't see much growth in the first year or two. Carnegie gigantea, Saguaro Cactus. Carnegie gigantea, also known as the Saguaro Cactus, is a giant tree-like cactus native to the Sonoran Desert in Arizona. Saguaros can grow over 60 feet tall and live for 150–200 years. These striking plants make excellent houseplants and are relatively easy to care for. Here are a few tips on how to best care for your indoor saguaro cactus. When selecting a pot for your saguaro, choose one large enough to accommodate the plant's eventual size. Saguaros grow slowly but steadily, so you won't need to repot too often. Once every 2 or 3 years should suffice. Saguaros prefer bright sunlight, so place your plant near a sunny window. Euphorbia trigona, African milk tree. Euphorbia trigona, also known as the African milk tree, is a succulent plant native to the tropical forests of Central Africa. The plant gets its common name from the milky sap released when the stems are cut or broken. Euphorbia trigona is a popular houseplant due to its low maintenance requirements and tolerance for neglect. When growing Euphorbia trigona indoors, give the plant bright light and well-draining soil, along with good air circulation, and watch it thrive. Mammillaria harniana, also known as the old Lady Cactus, is a cactus native to Mexico. It is a small plant, growing to only 10 centimeters in height and about 20 centimeters in width. The stem is covered in spines, and the flowers are white or pink. The old Lady Cactus is easy to care for and can be grown indoors with ease. This cactus does best in bright light, but can tolerate some direct sun. If you are growing it indoors, place it near a south-facing window. It can withstand extreme heat and cold and still thrive. Schlumbergera, Christmas cactus. Schlumbergera, better known as Christmas cactus, is a beautiful plant that can brighten up any room. To ensure your holiday cactus is merry and bright all season long, give it the extra attention it needs. These cacti are native to rainforests in Brazil. It is recommended to place your Christmas cactus in a spot with bright, indirect light. It will do best near a window. Water your plant when the soil is dry to the touch. Be sure not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. With some care and attention, your Christmas cactus will thrive indoors and bring you joy for many Christmases. So if you're looking for a way to add some life and desert beauty to your home decor, consider adding one or more of these cacti. They're low maintenance and sure to make a statement. Have you grown any succulents or cacti indoors before? What tips would you share with other cacti lovers? Make sure to comment below and to subscribe for more gardening content. And remember, life is better when you garden.